Good evening, everyone. It's really a pleasurable moment to be here in this beautiful ceremony. And I think the attitude of gratitude is the greatest thing we all do. And I've been witnessing this from the place I was sitting in, that a lot of appreciation has been given to people who have made it and have achieved something. So this is the beauty of Rotary and the commendable job which Rotarians do as people of action. So action speaks better than words. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable, magical evening. We do not remember days, but we remember moments. And the moments spent today have been imprinted in our memories forever. Events like this don't happen in a day. Also, but the wheel starts rolling much before. A lot of planning goes into it to make it a resounding success. To create this magical evening, a great spell on the audience, one needs to thank all the organizers who were part of the planning and execution process. First and foremost, I start giving the glory to the Almighty for making this magical evening a successful event to be remembered for times to come. Thank you is the best prayer that anyone would say. Our heartfelt gratitude is to our chief guest, Rotarian Stephanie Urchik, RI President 2425, whose presence has made this evening a magical one. Your presence has really inspired us. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to our guest of honor, RI Director T.N. Subramanian, for being part of this great celebration. I owe special thanks to convener of the event, DG Rotarian Jatinder Gupta and Dipti and co-convener, Rotarian Mahesh Trikhaji and Sujataji for organizing this event. Your hard work has paid off. I thank all the distinguished dignitaries of various districts, presidents, members who have joined today. Your presence really means a lot to all of us. We are indeed grateful to the co-host clubs of Delhi Central, Delhi South, Delhi Imperial, Mankind, Delhi Premier, Delhi Southeast for coming forward to participate in this exciting event. I would request all present in this hall to kindly give a standing ovation to all the organizers who have worked tirelessly, taking stage and in the front. I leave you with the inspiring quote of Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concerns to the broadest concerns of humanity. We in Rotary follow the path of righteousness, consciousness and oneness and create some magic in the society. We are here in Rotary for the larger purpose. Our values enable us to reshape the realities and bring a change we want to see. Thank you all for your unwavering dedication and commitment to service above self. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you, Amita, and thank you also